Ascertaining cash flow from operating activities. Indirect method. Indirect method. Indirect method of calculating cash flow from operating activity starts with net profit and loss because it includes the effects of an operating activity on the organization. The statement of profit is based on accrual, not on cash basis. It also includes many non-operating items like interest paid, profit and loss on sale of fixed assets. As per AS3 in the indirect method, the net cash flow from operating activities is to be calculated by adjusting net profit or loss for the effect of depreciation, goodwill written off, which are to be added back. All investing and financing incomes are to be deducted from net profits, whereas all such expenses are to be added back. Increase in current assets and decrease in current liabilities are to be deducted, while increase in current liabilities and decrease in current assets are to be added up. It provides information that is important to calculate future cash flows. While calculating the cash flow from operating activities, the net profit before taxes and extraordinary items is to be considered, not the net profit calculated as per profit and loss statement. At times, the amount of net profit is not specified, and the statement of profit and loss is also not given. In such a case, the amount of net profit can be calculated by comparing the statement of profit and loss given in the comparative balance sheets for 2 years. The difference is treated as the net profit for the year, and then after deducting the amount of tax made during the year, the amount of net profit before tax can be calculated. Ascertainment of cash flow from financial and investing activities. When we prepare cash flow statement, all main items of gross cash receipts, gross cash payments, and net cash flows must be shown separately under the heading Cash Flow from Investing Activity and Cash Flow from Financing Activity. Preparation of Cash Flow Statement. As we have stated earlier also that the cash flow statement gives information about change in the cash or cash equivalents of an organization in an accounting year. The activities that contribute to these changes in cash or cash equivalents are classified as operating, investing, and financing.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.